Okay, with this trinomial, it's asking us again to factor completely. So we have a trinomial, we have 3 terms, and again we have a coefficient of 1. So when we have a trinomial with the coefficient of 1, we can use the X puzzle. So with the X puzzle, we need to find the coefficient for the middle term. In this case, because we don't have something there, it's an understood 1. So we put that -1 at the top of our X, and we put the -56 at the bottom. And again, we're looking for a combination that if we add, we get a -1, but if we multiply these two numbers, we get a -56. So let's look at all the possible factors of 56. So if we have 56, we know 1 can go into 56. 1 times 56 is equal to 56. We also have 2 times 28. We get 56. Now let's see if 3 goes into. The rule for 3 is if we add the digits and the sum is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. So in this case, we have 6 plus 5, that's 11. 11 is not divisible by 3, so then this whole problem is not divisible by 3. Our next factor that we can try is 4. And we see that 56 divided by 4 is equal to 14. Let's see if 5 goes into it. Because this number ends in 6, we know that 5 is not divisible, or 5 does not go into 56. Remember the divisibility rules for 5. If a number ends in 0 or 5, then the whole number is divisible by 5. Let's try 6. Is 56 divisible by 6? It's not. So the next number that we can try is 7. So we go 7 times 8 is 56. And then if we would continue with this process, the next number is 8, but we already have it here, 8 times 7, so we know we're done. So now what we need to do is look for one of these combinations that's going to give us a 1. So we can see that this here will give us that 1 we need. So 7 times 8 is a positive 56, though, not a negative 56. So we need to look at our signs. If we get a -7 times a positive 8, we would get a negative 56, but the sum of -7 plus 8 gives us a 1. So let's try a 7 times a -8. That still gives us negative 56, but if we add 7 and a -8, we get a -1. So this is the combination that we have to try. So we put a 7 and a -8. We could interchange this if we wanted. We could put the -8 here and the 7 here. It does not matter. So then the factor form of this trinomial would be r, which is a variable for this trinomial, plus 7r minus 8. And we can check our work by using the FOIL method. R times r is r squared. R times a -8 is -8r. 7 times r is 7r, and 7 times a -8 is -56. If we combine like terms, we get the -1r that we have here in the center. So the factor form of r squared minus r minus 56 is r plus 7, r minus 8.